Let's check this out. In the diagram below, PS is equal to SR, as you can see, and RX, that means RX is a tangent, so it's touching this to the circle at Haru, okay? Then angle QRX is 72. That is the only angle given to us, and we have to solve SPR, that is SPR. We are solving for this angle. Wow, interesting. So don't forget how we go about this before we write it down. We know this angle is equal to this angle by isosceles. So once we get this, we know it's equal to this. Then we know there is a triangle here in the circle that is connected to this, so there is definitely alternate segment there. So which one do we call alternate segment now? So this is 72. Leave this one, then we go to this. This is 72. So if this one is 72, definitely by angle on a straight line we will get this. Or better put, there is the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle will give you this, will give you your x. Or we get this one, angle on a straight line, then we equate x and x plus this one to be equal to 180-degree angle in a triangle. That is one. And like I said the other time, angle, exterior angle, this angle outside is going to be equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So if this one is x and x, if you add it together you have 2x. 2x is equal to 72. So once we have that, we know x is equal to 36. So if it is an objective, x is 36, then you leave the question to another one. But if it is theory, let us see how it goes. Of course, this is a wire question, a theory question, so we can attend to it like a real or theory question. So like I said, our XRQ, our XRQ now, that means this angle will be equal to this angle. That means RSQ is equal to RSQ. That means alternate segment. So definitely XRS, that means XRS, which is, sorry, definitely 72 is equal to RSQ. That means this is RSQ. That means this angle here. So therefore from here, SPR plus the angle plus this one, that is SRP plus PSR plus PSR will be equal to 180-degree, or like I said, SPR plus this one, that means the 2 SRP is equal to 72 degrees. Why? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So if this one is x and this one is x, then we have 72. So x plus x is 2x, then we have 72. Then x is equal to 72 divided by 2. 2 is 7, that is 3 remainder 1, and this we have 36. That's x is equal to 36 degrees. This other one I was about to use the other time is when you have x, that is x plus x. This is an angle in a straight line. So we have 72 from 180. So we have 108. That's 108. We have plus 108 equals 180. If you send this 108 to this side, you have 72 eventually. So we have 2x equals 72. Then we have our x to be 36. So let me take it again for clarity. We have P S that is equal to SR. That is the key. That is our hint there, because this angle will be equal to this angle, base angle of an isosceles triangle. You have been told base angle of an isosceles triangle. So we have that. Then it gave us this. This will be equal to this because this angle is equal to this. So one will definitely connect to another. That will connect to another. All you need to do is to patiently see which one is connected to which of the angles. I hope you have found this exercise interesting and meaningful. Let us check one more example, then I will give you classwork. Please, I want to beg you students, this information is for every student. Either you know circle geometry so well or you are still struggling with it, please, I want to beg you, anytime you see a circle geometry question, do not be afraid, no matter how terrible the picture is. Don't ever be scared. Don't be terrified at it. All you need to do is to check it very well and check the theorems that can be connected to it. That's all. So all you need to do is to link those theorems together, then you will get what you are asked to find. We are finding the value of looking for the value of x. Then fortunately for me, we have ts as a tangent, then a circle that we are at the tangent at the a is a point of tangency. AB is parallel to CE. This is C, please. CE. Then A, E, and C is 5x. Then A, D, and B is 60. Definitely this one is 60. According to this question, this was what the question looks like if they were a question. Some of the question will have more instructions from here, leaving the circle out. Some of them will have the circle instruction from the circle and will not put it in the instruction. That's why you need to connect or link the instruction together with your picture. That is why I would always read the instruction to relate what is not there so that I can fix it up. Fortunately for us, TAE, that is TAE is x. Then we know this one to be parallel. Now let me look at this question. Let's check the theorems there together. We have a segment, then we have a triangle connected to segment, alternate segment is there. We have this angle connected to this angle, same segment is there. We have a quadrilateral, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, cyclic quadrilateral is there. We have this one alternate, we have this one parallel to this. We have these two parallel to each other. So definitely alternate angle is there, corresponding angle is there, co-interior angle is there. So we have a lot of things in this circle geometry question. When you look at this, you think, oh wow, this is tough, I am scared, I'm terrified. I have a student like that. Amira can be like, gosh, what is happening? But look at this, it's so simple. Like I've mentioned like 4 to 5 theorems that you can find here. Once you connect them together, you will have your x. So with your pencil, how do we go about this? If this is 60 degrees, first of all, just write 60 degrees here. Why? Same segment. These ones are in same segment. So we continue. And we know that this angle x, 1, 2 is connected to this angle. That is, this is x2. Same segment. This is same segment. Sorry, alternate segment. This one is equal to this alternate segment, and we can have this 60 degrees. We can link it. There's another triangle there, so we can link this 60 degrees to this point. So this one is 60 degrees. So we have this, and this. So this angle is 60 degrees. So if this angle is 60 degrees, then we have what do we use this parallel lines for? Let's see. From here to here to here, this z, we are sure that this is equal to x. Interesting. So I'm actually not solving. I'm just looking at what I can use, openings that I can actually make use of before I. So once you check this all through, we begin to link things, link them, you will get your answer in no time. Within few minutes, you will be fine. So we have this is equal to this one. Why? Alternate angle. So once we have this as an alternate angle, definitely you know that this angle is supplementary to this cyclic quadrilateral. Fine. So what else can we make use of here? We know this angle, this 5x too, this 5x1 is equal to, oh interesting, now I've seen the solution. So easy. So we have this one, everything here, don't forget this is a triangle. This triangle that is connected with this triangle AEC. Triangle AEC, we have this angle will be equal to this angle. So we have 60 plus x is equal to 5x. Is that not interesting? So we can just go by 60, if it is down, plus x. is equal to 5x. So you have 60 is equal to 5x minus x. We have 60 is equal to 4x. Then we have x is equal to 60 divided by 4. Our x is equal to 15 degrees. Interesting. Interesting. You won't know it's this simple, but we have a if it is from a theory, we have a lot to write from what I've gathered. So because we know that we only use 60 and x here, so we can just connect our values. We didn't eventually use this 60 and x. We only connected this 60 to this one and this x to this one by alternation. So let's solve this out. We know this one is equal to x by alternation. So we can then say ACE is equal to, that is ACE is equal to EAT. EAT. That means alternate, that is this angle to be equal to this angle, or alternate segment, and from there, so if this one is alternate segment now, then it will be equal to this. So EAT now, that means this one, this angle is equal to this alternate angle. That means BAC. BAC, alternate angle. So this is, so BAC is equal to x now. So we have x here. And BDA, that is BDA is equal to 60 degrees. That means BDA is equal to this 60 degrees, which is equal to this one, that is SAB. SAB. Why would I say that? Same thing, alternate segment. So if that is the case, this is 60 already, then 60 plus 6 plus x. 60 plus x, that means before I do that, I can say SAB, that is SAB, that means this angle plus this one, that is BAC now, that is BAC, this one plus BAC is equal to this, is equal to, is equal to all these things. I can say SAC now is equal to SAC. So that's two angles together. So from here I can have this one to be equal to SAC, alternate segment. That means this angle will be equal to this angle. So SAC now is going to be equal to CEA, that, or AEC. AEC, which is equal to 5x. So therefore 60, which is this one, plus x. Before that, okay, this one, that means SAC, that is 60 plus x is equal to 5x. And from here I have 60 is equal to 5x minus x. I have 60 is equal to 4x, and my x is equal to 15 degrees. So if you have this, like, is a why question, which is a theory, so this is what is expected of us, not this short one. If it is a jump, you are good with this, you can to another question directly without wasting time. But it's a why theory. That is how we write, so that we will not miss marks. And of course, I still skipped some theorem. If you're wondering if I have to, why would I have to do that? Wipe now counts leaves. They will count lines for you to work with. So you have to be smart. There are some of the things that you write, they don't need you to write them. Of course, we mark per step, I know, but still, your teacher would have to teach you well. I have to let you know that there are some steps that are not necessary. You will get to know steps that are completely necessary if you follow this class carefully without missing anyone, so that when WAEC or GC count lines for you to work mathematics with, you won't be struggling. So you will know which step is important, which one is not. Take for instance, Ideally, I would have written it this way: 4 divided by 60. But once you have 60 is equal to 4x, or 4x is equal to 60, your answer is expected to be 5. I don't have to divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. It is a long process. I don't think that, as I am sure that does not have mark in, it's not part of the step, so it does not have mark at all. So let's check this again before we go for classwork and we close up. We have, like I said, this was not given, this was not given, we don't have, okay, we have this, we don't have this, we don't have this, we got all these things. So that you know we have worked. This was all that was given to us, but fortunately we were told that this one is alternate to this. So if there is alternation there will always be, or if there is, I mean, sorry, not alternate, it is parallel. This one is parallel to this, pardon me. So if this is parallel to this, definitely there is alternation there, and that was what I wanted to use. Of course, even here I can use same segment. I mean, no, not same segment. This one I can use co-interior. This one, everything here will be co-interior to this. That means if this one is 5x, this is going to be 180 minus x. Here are your classworks. Let's check it from the first question. You have the tangent, two tangents, t and s. Obviously, you have two theorems there that says this one and this one is equal to this one is equal to this, and if you call this one, you have this angle equal to this angle. You have that. Then you have angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. You can use it to get your y and your x. That is simple. Then here we have parallel lines which will help you, and of course I told you you have alternation there, corresponding angle there, you have co-interior there. So this one is co-interior to this one, as you can see. So we have alternate segment there. This is a tangent, and we have a triangle inside the circle. So that is that we are finding QST, that is QST, that is angle S. And to this, you are converting this one to a picture because you are asked to illustrate information in a diagram. That is, PQ is a tangent of a circle. You draw a circle, you have a tangent RST at a point S. So it is circle RST at the point S. PRT is a straight line. This is completely a WAEC question. It is, I copied it from WAEC or past question. So you have angle TPS to be 34 degrees and angle TSQ to be 65 degrees. Then illustrate the information in a diagram. Then you are asked to find the values of angle RTS and angle SRP. So these are your classwork. Enjoy it, and if you have any problem, communicate it to me later.